There are different factors to help create a healthy and sustainable workplace. The first one will be thermal comfort. By applying different passive design strategies, we can provide a comfortable indoor environment for the occupants. For example, the green roof system can effectively reduce the radiation intake of the building. A cooler interior space means less energy is required to reach the optimal temperature. Air quality is also important for the tenant's health. Openable windows raise the awareness of the external environment. It can also provide a sense of certification through controlling. The spatial arrangement of the office is also important. With different types of furniture provided, occupants are encouraged to make a healthy choice, and they will have more flexibility at work. Diversity of workspace is more important in a post-COVID reality. People can choose where they want to work, which allows them to have a healthy mindset in the workplace. An easy access location makes life more convenient, which encourage people to work and increase their productivities. Increasing planting on site can also help one relax. It can improve mental health, especially for those who live in inner city. Having more open air at the facade helps people to connect to the surrounding environment, which is a good way to relax. Privacy is also important. Having a place where they wouldn't be distracted can help promote a healthy mentality and work environment. Noise can be very distributing, and a quiet environment can help one focus on their work. Last but not least, and adequate lighting levels are important for occupants' health. Studies have found that natural light is important for productivity and mental health. So these are the factors that make a workplace healthy and sustainable. And now we are going to analyze the MSD building with all these factors. The MSD building located in the center of the uni campus. It is easy to get access to different uni facilities such as libraries, and there are lots of food and beverage options around MSD building. The diversity make MSD a good social spot and a good place to work. The MSD building is also easy to access. There is a tram station 1 minute walk away, and there are bike storage facility right next to the building. It is not a difficult travel destination, and they encourage people to come there and work. From the psychometric chart, we can observe that only 12% of time fall into the comfort zone in Melbourne. We have to rely on different passive cooling methods to achieve thermal comfort in the indoor area. There are a lot of paving around MSD building. They absorb and remit heat that contribute to an uncomfortable outdoor temperature. But the university have planted a lot of trees in those open areas to provide shading to reduce the heat intake of the ground. There are also a lot of outdoor parks and sitting areas around the MSD building, which provide a diversified choice for environment and encourage students to spend time outdoors. The following is a diagram about wind velocity. The MSD building is actually located in a quite packed area, and it creates several low velocity zones around MSD building, especially the area between the Building of Science and MSD building. In summer days, it will be quite hot and stuffy. Also, the facade design is mostly glazing, which cannot be opened, and the permeability is low. The building has to rely on mechanical air exchange. Because MSD building is located in the middle of the university campus, it is quite quiet. Noise from the main road are blocked by other buildings, which provide a good environment for people to focus on their job. However, the study area is mainly located around the atrium, which is the source of noise and can sometimes be annoying. The School of Science creates significant overshading across the long facade. It helps reduce heat gain in summer, but it can be cold during winter months. There are shading panels around the building to reduce direct sunlight. The southern facade reduces heat loss by keeping the minimum size of windows and using double glazed window where possible. Although there are small holes on the shading device, but the view are still blocked by the facade panels, and people are less connected to the surrounding environment. There are also not enough individual working area for students. Majority of floor area are used as studio room. An open plan layout will improve the situation with providing more flexibility at work. There are some previous projects that successfully apply different sustainable measures into the building. The first one is the CH2 building. It introduced a passive cooling system into the building using wind turbine and wastewater to cool down the area inside the tower. Its facade design also responds to the climate. It is anchored to the sun, provides shading, and also allows pavilion wind to pass through. So heat energy generated on the floor can be easily taken away. The second project is the Oasis downtown. The building has a green envelope and a lot of sky garden, which can actively cool down the interior area, and also create a haven for different species and plants. The pixel Melbourne facade also provide shading louvers, which angled are carefully calculated to reduce the direct intake of sunlight. They also aimed it to be water balanced. Rainwater collected from the green roof and the planter's balcony, and they are being recycled within the building. A more healthier and sustainable workplace can be provided in the MSD building if we apply various types of design strategies that fits the Melbourne's climate. Thank you.